Hello! Today I would like to present you the difference between this first aid station and the one that we were already mounting like over a year ago in my lab. Today I was tasked in attaching those two units and they looks exactly the same but got different components, so you can have exactly the same shell but different content. So yeah, it's going to be quite interesting. First, let's take a look at the eye wash station, and it is one-to-one something that we already mounted, so I will not waste time. If you would like to see it in more detail, then check my previous video. We've got no difference, it is exactly the same. First thing that we can see is that our shape is exactly the same. So if you would like to have different components, you have absolutely no problem in just ordering them separated and retrofitting. So yeah, that's absolutely beautiful. You can fully customize your set. On that unit, the first thing that we can see here is that we've got a burn gel, and as the name implies and our picture, and it presents like this. It feels really cold and extremely nice, so definitely it will help you out if you like burn yourself in electronic lab, maybe by the soldering iron. Absolutely beautiful, very nice. Here you can see the information and you've got the model number just in case you would like to order a replacement. And here we've got some more instructions, so let's see what we've got here. And we've got more instruction, very nice. You can see how to apply it. Yeah, it is really self-explaining. You just spray it on your wound and it will give you relief, very nice. Here in my lab you can see the one that we previously mounted, and as you can see we already used some of the supplies, and in that area we've got dispenser for our cleaning wound saline pads that are looking like this, and here we've got our eye and wound cleaning spray that is extremely nice, and you can use it for like washing out something from your eye. Absolutely beautiful. Like when you've got like an eyelash, then this is great. And here you can see emergency lamp that we fixed together. And after removing it, automatically activated. It go back to the stand. It is nicely disconnecting. Absolutely beautiful. This section is exactly the same. We've got two large universal dressing. I believe we opened one of those on the previous video. If we didn't, then when they will expire, I will make a video and we will be playing around. Here we've got three small dressing, exactly the same as on the old unit, so nothing changed here. We've got our burn gel, absolutely beautiful, also exactly the same. Now we are going to be taking a look at the major difference. Here we've got a soft foam bandage dispenser. In that spot on the old model we had a dispenser for wound cleaning pads soaked with saline solution. Here we've got our foam bandage. This is absolutely beautiful thing, and the first time in my life I seen it in the vet clinic, and that's because it was great for animal that have got like a fur, because it was not sticking to the skin, to the fur, and you can easily remove it, but at the same time it adheres to itself. So it is great, and I will present you it. Here we've got our bandage, and here we've got a knife that is used for cutting it in extremely nice fashion. So we first pull a little bit of our foam bandage, just like that. Now I press it and I slide it, just like this. And as you can see, I nicely cut it. After removing the protective thing, this is our bandage, and it is like a foam. And as you can see, I'm touching it with my finger, and it's not adhering. Here I've got a hair, I'm touching it, it do not adhere. But after removing the second side, let me remove it. Here it is also not adhering. But now let's pretend that I would like to add it here. I pull it, I go like this, and just take a look, magic happen. It stick to itself, and as you can see, it is not easy to remove. It is holding together, but it is not glue, and if I would like to remove it, you see how it adheres to itself, like little bit a Velcro, and it undo. So here it do not stick to my skin, not creating any pain, do not ripping out like any clogged blood, but adhere to itself, and it is just amazing, absolutely beautiful, much better than the regular one. Of course, in this case, in case of my finger, I use it by the width, but if you would like to bandage like your whole hand, then you pull it for like the length, you cut it, and you go in the like different direction, of course. And as you can see, you can basically reuse it, and it nicely stick back. That's crazy. This is absolutely beautiful, absolutely no pain, no pulling your hair. Yeah, this is crazy, crazy good. Very expensive, but very good. Let's take a look what we've got inside. And here we've got our saline pads. As you can see, they are for cleaning wounds. This is what in the previous model we had in the dispenser. And here you can see the expiration date, so we are all good. Here we've got a burn cover, hydrogel plasters. I deeply believe I never tried those, so at one of the videos we will have to try it out. And here I've got another burn gel dressing. So yeah, this is what we've got over here, over there. And let me put a CPR mask there, just like that. And now we go into another difference, and here we've got our bandages, but they are very special and they are blue. Here you can see that I've got like a skin color, and you might ask yourself, what does the blue mean? And blue color mean that inside we've got a metal film that make them detectable in metal detectors. Mostly it is used in food industry. So if someone is working with like that type of bandage, and if it fall like into a food that is being processed, when the food pass like a scanner, metal detector, it will start beeping and they can halt our process. So let's pull it out, and that's why they've got this distinct process. And let's take a look here. You can see that we've got the detectable. So there should be something metal inside that basically make them appear not transparent for the detector. And you apply them just like a regular one. Just take a look. Blue, absolutely beautiful. Which one would you like more? Of course, at any point in time, you've got absolutely no problem in swapping those metal detectable with regular one. And to do it, you need this key. And this key you need to stick here, just like that. And this allow you to pull this whole, let me grab it by something. You press this, you can now grab that cardboard and you can remove it. And here you can see the information and what is the model. As you can see, nice waterproof. Just take a look. And if you would like to put it back, you just stuff it like this. And now no one can remove it without the key. so no one is going to be stealing it. Absolutely beautiful. Now let's attach it. I will give you a pro tip. You can remove this whole element, and now it is going to be very lightweight, and it gives you access to the holes for our screws. Just a quick pro tip. And this is my work. I just hang those two, and we've got this new supplies, our burn gel, soft foam bandage dispenser, our detect-able bandages, and this is how it's presenting. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.